Hey, what's up everybody? In this quick lesson, I want to show you how you can take just a few different layers in Adobe Photoshop and create something awesome and epic. So let's go ahead and get started and create a cool sci-fi movie poster. I'm going to go ahead and use my hero image. I'm going to drag him down to the new layer button and let go. That's going to create a copy or duplicate of my layer. The next step is I want to take the hero copy and I want to use my select subject or any selection method that you prefer. I'm going to use the cloud-based select subject. We're going to give that a few seconds to go ahead and grab the detail, hit my layer mask, and now I have a great mask layer of my hero. Finally, I'm going to take the hero and with the ship layer underneath it, while I like this ship, I really love the different antennas and the detail, but I don't really want to spend the time masking that out. So I'm going to use something called a clipping mask. So to do this, you're going to put the element that you want in the mask on top. I want to kind of put my hero image and I want to kind of use the ship as the mask. And you either hold your Option or your Alt key in between layers. Now, when I tap that, you'll see that it gives me the clipping mask selection. I click and boom, there I have it. And now all I really have to do is go back to that original mask and maybe hit B for brush, get a black brush, and I can actually paint out some of these areas to get a better fill within the scene. So you can see I'm just kind of hiding some of the areas within my masked element. And you could really go to town and open this up, but I kind of like the inside and outside dynamic that is happening here with the image. Finally, I want to get a little more lighting on my character, so I'm going to select away from the layer mask and grab our character here, go to layer styles, and I want you to look for the inner shadow, which seems kind of counterintuitive, but in this case, I'm going to set my inner shadow to screen, and I don't want it to indent, I want it to pop and outdent. So I'm going to go ahead and grab just some of the color and sample some of the bright colors. You could go through and sample quite a bit in here. Pick the one that you like the most. I kind of like this slightly red color. And play with your distance. You can play with the size. Don't worry if you're getting weird artifacting. We're going to clean that up in just a quick second. You can even play with the distribution of the elements. Again, ignore the weird artifacting. So a cool effect that I've used quite a bit, and it took me a while to realize, is if we go to that layer style and right click, you can actually create its own layer from that. And once you have that and you select that layer, you can just go to your eraser brush and erase some of the elements that you're not a fan of. So if you want to get rid of some of the glow in certain spots or some of those weird artifacts, you can do that and it will still maintain that awesome glow to the layer. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this. You can kind of see where we're going with this. You could add some text, a billing block, you could really go to town, but I wanted to show you these quick ways where you can take 3 layers and really transform them into something epic. Follow, subscribe, and like for more content. I'll see you in the next lesson.